All right, so immigration world is still going a lot of madness. The delays at the embassies. Essentially, now I was looking at the statistics for the embassy backlog. Well, first of all, the Department of State changed it up and said that they're not going to use the term documentarily qualified or DQ anymore. They're going to use documentarily completed or DC. So if you have a case pending with the National Visa Center and it's done, that's going to call it from now on. But the cases that have been in consular processing for immigrant visas, for green cards, documentarily completed, it was like there's a backlog of like 550,000, but now it's like closer to 450,000, which seems like it got better. But they also have a statistics that shows like in the same month before the pandemic started, how much the backlog was. It was like 45,000 or 30,000, some ridiculous number. So pretty bad backlog. It's still pretty terrible. Some embassies are starting to open up. We have allegedly that the U.S. government's going to ease up and allow people to be able to come to the United States who had COVID vaccines. So that's going to bypass travel ban. Also, there was some successful lawsuit, particularly I think it was the Kingsley case, which further again by federal courts saying that if there is a travel ban, it doesn't mean that you can't have a visa issued. It just means you can't enter the United States. So, for example, if you're in Germany, which is subject to a COVID ban right now, the embassies have not been doing interviews. If you want to do a tourist visa interview, they wouldn't even see you. But the point is, they're saying like we should at least have an interview, at least have the visa approved, subject to a travel ban. So this would give the opportunity for the foreign person to, leave Germany, go to Turkey, go to Mexico, go to whatever country, wait 2 weeks, then to be able to use that same visa to enter the United States. So that's something that's really important to keep in mind. It's not much you do about it, but it's an important development with regards to the visa and consular processing. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.